On 8th March 2024, President Yoweri Museveni appointed Canon Dr. Ruth Senyonyi as the new board chairperson for the Uganda AIDS Commission, replacing Dr. Eddie Mukoyo, who had served the commission for 6 years since 2018. Today, Canon Dr. Ruth Senyonyi has been officially installed in the chairmanship office of the Uganda AIDS Commission at a function officiated by the Minister for Presidency, Honorable Babirye Babalanda, in Kampala. Taking an oath of allegiance, Dr. Ruth committed to upholding the dignity and aspirations of the Uganda AIDS Commission.
I, Canon Dr. Ruth Senyonyi, swear that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal any matter to any person which shall be brought under my consideration. So help me God.
In her remarks, the Minister for Presidency, Honorable Babirye Babalanda, congratulated the outgoing board chairperson, Dr. Eddie Mukoyo, for steering the commission to greater heights during his tenure in office.
I wish to congratulate the outgoing chairman of the Uganda AIDS Commission, Dr. Eddie Mukoyo, for the remarkable work and achievement you have displayed in steering the Uganda AIDS Commission for the period of 2 consecutive terms. Your contribution will be remembered in this institution for years to come.
To the new chairperson, the minister called for an extension of the commission services to other parts of the country so as to have everyone attended to, ultimately working towards the goal of eradicating HIV/AIDS by 2030.
I challenged as Uganda AIDS Commission to double our energy by extending our services to the grassroots levels. We should boost our regional offices to take the fight to the communities who need it most. The war must be taken to where the enemy is, and that is in the villages and up-country areas.
The minister, however, cautioned the incoming chairperson to stand for accountability and desist from engaging the commission into corruption scandals. She called for the arrest of all briefcase NGOs cheating Ugandans and tainting the image of the government.
I challenged to deal with the problem of briefcase NGOs who have cheated unsuspecting citizens of their money. Some have led to loss of innocent lives, and others have tarnished the image of government to the outsiders. I implore you to work with your Director General, the Secretary Office of the President, the Minister of Health, and the Minister of Internal Affairs to ensure that the NGOs giving support to the AIDS efforts are well screened and that you have effective supervision and management of these NGOs. The Uganda AIDS Commission has not been cited in any corruption scandal, and I encourage you to keep it to this way.
The Director General, Uganda AIDS Commission, Dr. Nelson Musova, described Dr. Ruth Senyonyi as a seasoned and hard-working person whose expertise will put the Commission in a better position of fighting HIV/AIDS in the country.
As we know, Dr. Senyonyi comes really as a seasoned individual, not just in terms of knowledge, skills and experience, but networks as well. You'll get to know her more with time.
Speaking to journalists shortly after her inauguration, the new chairperson Uganda AIDS Commission, Canon, Dr. Ruth Senyonyi heeded the call from Minister Babalanda and promised to extend the operation to the upcountry.
Ogenda wansi ddala mu grassroots okulaba nti nno obulwadde buno bwa mukenenya buggwaawo by 2030. Kyekindeese era kyenjja okukola. N'ebyo balese nga bwe muwadde report gye bagambye nkwateko, mulimu bingi bye baŋŋambye okukola era nja gisoma, nja gyetegereza tusobole okubikwatira awamu.
John Baptist Humza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.